The legal system governs our boards, and there's a line between what's legal and what's illegal, but that line doesn't really mean all that much. Because here's what really happens. Here's what really is meaningful. One is your business reputation. Your business reputation is way to the left of the legal line. If you get anywhere near the legal line, meaning you're just at the border where something's illegal, nobody's going to want to do business with you. So we tend to stay to the left of the legal line with people that are close with us. With people who are not close with us, we go to the other side. Is that in order for a civil lawsuit to be practical, you have to be way beyond, way to the right of the illegal line. An example would be a board of directors. In order for a board of directors to be in breach of their fiduciary responsibility and to get convicted of it is very, very difficult. There's something called the business judgment rule. And what it really says is the line between when somebody is unethical and incredibly stupid is very, very blurred. So you have to be way to the right. And it's almost impossible to get to that point. The criminal lawsuit line is even further to the right. So that's something to keep in mind. So what is the purpose of a board? And we're dealing with boards all the time. And so we have to know how to deal with them. One is they have a legal fiduciary responsibility, which we already know is not worth anything, means nothing. Practically, what does a board do? They hire and fire the CEO. They're supposed to give advice and assistance, which they generally don't, because their primary objective as individuals is to prevent liability. So they prefer, remember, they're orchestrators too. Yeah. So they don't want to know a lot of details. They don't want to make decisions. There's no upside for them. They're there for prestige, and they actually get paid. They provide their Rolodex and they provide credibility. But in reality, the management really controls the board. So our strategy in dealing with boards is sound bites and avoiding complexity. They don't want to hear complexity. They're not going to engage in a conversation. We give them the sound bites they need to approve things. And to also make sure that there's a trail of liability that gets diverted from them. Because we understand some of them are orchestrators. So we have to respect that.